G'day there. In an earlier article and video on integrating Zotero with Obsidian, I mentioned that there seemed to be an issue with the Zotero Citation Selector pop-up. Now you needed to use Alt and Tab on Windows or Command and Tab on Mac so that you could cycle through what windows you had on your computer working to see what was behind the Focus tab and get to the Zotero Selector. So that really slowed things down a little bit. So it was great to read in Eleanor Konik's newsletter today a link to a post on the Zotero plugin GitHub page of a solution to the problem. So many thanks to Marangta, I hope I've pronounced that correctly, for posting the solution, and to Eleanor for publishing the link to it. So if you're an Obsidian user and not subscribed to Eleanor's weekly newsletter, then I suggest you check it out. It's always a wealth of really valuable information, and I'll include a link in the show notes. Okay, well, let's fix this problem, shall we? So the first thing you do is open Zotero and then Edit and Preferences. In the top of the menu there, Preferences will come up, and then you need to go to the Advanced area in the Zotero Preferences and down here to the Config Editor. Click on that, and the editor may not come up. You may actually get a warning screen saying that you will void your warranty. Looks like that, and I've just ticked that as turn it off, that I didn't want to see it next time. I accept the risks, so that was okay. You'll need to type in the following search condition. So this is the extension setting that we're looking for. So that comes up, you highlight that, right click on your mouse, and toggle will change the value between false. As you can see there, it's gone back to false, and we want it set to true. Right, and we close that all down, and it will all be ready to work. Okay, well, back in Obsidian now. I've just pulled up a note here. This is on an article that I've pulled in from Zotero. This is how my articles look like when they come across from there. And if I was to go in, this is anywhere in any note, just put your cursor wherever you wish to have the citation and bring in a citation. So we'll bring up the command palette, just put in ZOT, integrations and cite, and then the pop-up comes there straight away for it, which it didn't used to do. And there's an article by Ireland about alliance management. We'll click on that one. Yes, that's the one I want. So hit enter, and there's the citation there within the note, exactly where I wanted it to be. So I'm really pleased that that's now working. It'll save a heap of time when you're writing an article or report, manuscript, whatever, because you're not going to be constantly flicking through the tabs to find out where the Zotero pop-up is behind the focused window. So I hope that solves the problem for everybody else as well. Good on you. Cheers.